Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing, Artemis? Yeah? Being a good baby? Give me a kiss! I love you! I love you! You chilling with Daddy? Do you love Daddy? You're such a pretty baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? I love you. I love you. Hey, that's my lip ring. Don't take my lip ring, you butthole. My shiny. My shiny. Mine. No, it's mine. Let go. That's my shiny. No, not Artemis's shiny. You butt. Not Artemis's shiny. No. No. Let go. Ah, he's attacking my shiny. Let go of my shiny. Birds really do like shinies, don't they? Don't you, Artemis? You're such a pretty baby. No, my shiny, mine, and let go of my shiny. No, no. Do you see yourself now? Oh, you see yourself. Now what? Go get the shiny in the camera. Oh, now what? Huh, baby? You're being extremely quiet right now. Everybody heard you talking. Ah, my shiny! My shiny! You're so good at grabbing that thing. Well, thankfully not my lip. You got some accuracy there, boo-boo. Artemis! Give me a kiss! Give me a kiss! Here, give me pet my baby. You like to be petted? Do you see yourself in the camera and you're like, who is this other bird? And why do I have two daddies? One in a box and one right here I'm sitting on. Mm-hmm. You're such a happy... Hey, that's my lip ring! Mine! Mine! Oh, you're getting to be a little grumpy butt. You mad because you can't get my lip ring? I could put one in your beak. I don't think you'd like it, though. Do you not like Daddy having a lip ring? Are you jealous? No. No. Bad, Artemis. Bad. He's trying so hard to get my lip ring. It's so funny, though. He's such a pretty baby. Such a pretty baby. Give me a kiss. No. Ah, that's not a kiss. Oh, did you just hear him say it? Give me a kiss. He just said, give me a kiss. You're like, why are you touching me, dude? Ain't that right? Huh? What else you gonna say for on the thing? Give me a kiss. What are you doing? What are you doing? I love you. I love you. Artemis. He's just looking around at everybody walking around right now.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah. You enjoying being out of your cage, baby? As soon as I get home. He been attacking my lip ring.
Has he? I heard you.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Aw. He turned his head towards you.
I think he's just excited.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I love you. I love you. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Give me a kiss. Artemis! Oh, you scared him. When you opened the door, he shook like, ah!
My baby.
Give me a kiss.
You have anything?
This has been
Clean socks, clean underwear.
this has been hanging out with Artemis. I'm gonna be doing a video sometime this weekend on how to tame a Quaker Parrot.
I don't have socks.
So that'll be fun.
Okay.
But I just wanted to do a quick Quaker Parrot update, show you how Artemis has been doing. He's doing well, as you can see. Still loves his daddy.
For now.
For now? What? No. No, not just for now. But he's a good...
Me and Artemis have a plan together.
No! No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you. I love you. I love you. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Boots be okay for the weekend, or do I need to find my Adidas? I think boots are fine.
Okay. Well, this has been a little bird update. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.